How can you safeguard valuable manufacturing knowledge to ensure the long-term success of your company? Flanders Make has developed a novel methodology to formally capture and preserve unique manufacturing knowledge in a generic, process-independent way, making an organization less vulnerable to loss of manufacturing expertise when process experts retire or move on. It can also help to accelerate the learning curve for junior process experts and allow CAD design engineers to create designs free from manufacturing errors quickly and independently, because the formalized knowledge is interpreted automatically by the connected CAD evaluation software that was co-developed. The overall solution streamlines the interaction between CAD designers and process engineers.